minute you spend working out, it's literally building a future stronger self. And working out is like the best medicine you can give yourself, because it strengthens your immune system, and whenever new sickness would attack, then you have a strong immune system. All right, let's get our yoga mat ready. So the coming part, we are going to be doing, so if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, first one is just the regular high plank, and modified it's like this on the knees. So notice I'm in line. The buttocks, it's not like this, but like this. In line, hip, from knees to hip and shoulders. The advanced high plank. Make sure you push your hands into the ground. All right. Next one, modified. It's again, you make sure you are in line here, knees to the shoulder, and advanced, it's side of the foot to your shoulder. So we hold it for 30 seconds. Great job, you all. Wonderful, wonderful. We're going on the other side. Wonderful. Switch. So it's the same. So if you did modified, you do the modified on this side. But if you did the non-modified, you do the non-modified. Beautiful. Just make sure your core is tight. So now we are working this side of our core so that we don't. So make sure the hip is not falling. Just hold it high. Pin it by contracting your core. Beautiful. Now, another plank. So now you are here and you're going to low plank, high plank. That was the modified. The non-modified, it's like this. So at the halfway point, you switch the hand, you bring up first. So now I'm doing left first. Now I'm going to start right first until the timer ends. Wonderful. Now we're going to dynamic side plank. So it's like this, hip down, and then you bring it up. So to bring the hip up, you have to contract your obliques, hip down. So the dynamic planks work properly the core. That is why we are mixing it up. And just do as much as you can. Let's go on the other side. So since we're using a heat timer, you have to try to do the same amount, so the same rate of up and down on both sides. Wonderful. Now we are here in high plank, but you're tapping your shoulders. Non-modified, make sure your feet are a bit wider at least shoulder width apart to have good stability when you lift one hand to tap your shoulder. Beautiful. Now, so low plank, you dip the hip on each side. Wonderful. All right. Now we finish with our plank challenge, 5 minutes plank challenge. Now we're just going to hold it here like this. So if you want, you can turn your palm to face the ceiling. Make sure your back is straight. Wonderful. Now put your elbows down on the mat. Now we're just going to, so modified is just like this, and then non-modified you straighten each foot alternately. Make sure you contract your lower back when you have a position like this. Beautiful. Now, lie with your back flat on the mat. Bend your knees, palms here, the same height as your elbows. Now you let the knee fall. You bring them back to the center. The next round, we're going on the other side. So this removes the swing momentum. And make sure you're just going slowly in a controlled way. That way the exercise is much more effective. Beautiful. Now we're going on the other side. I stopped too quick, but no problem. Okay, on the other side. And this is also good for the spine mobility. So take it slowly down, up, stop, and then you go back. So Brenda asked to do a woman modified. Just do as much as you can. When you can't do a proper rep, then you just, now we are in high plank. You're bringing knee to elbow. Rachel Agasha saying hi community. She is in the building. She has been recommending our community to her friends. It's an honor to have people sharing the gift of movement with others. Beautiful. Now, yes. So now make sure the knees are below your hip, palms below your shoulders. Now we're going to lift knees from the ground and you just hold it. Back is in the neutral position. So notice my knees are not touching the ground. So you all should also not be touching. Contract your core, your lower back. One more exercise, guys. Beautiful. Now, we are going to alternate V up. So like this. Let's finish strong. Under 10 seconds to go. Beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. The next part, it's getting too dark because outside are 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassadors of this community. Well done. Yes, so remember to share. We are on the road to 2K subscribers. Thank you so much. Where are you watching from? If your flag was not among, or where you're watching from, the flag was not among the flag, type it and I will add it. I'm always curious to know how worldwide we are. Winnie's saying, thanks, coach. All right. Rachel, thank you, Coach Remmy. Thank you, everybody who was here. And Winnie, thanks. Thank you, everybody who was present. It's always a good thing to gift yourself a good dose of movement. Movement is the best gift to the body. So health is wealth number 1 one can ask for. Thank you so much. And on Friday we are going to work the legs, cardio and legs. But today it's just today was cardio, core and stretching, those 3. So if you do all the exercises that come up on this channel, then you will for sure experience a good, so you will for sure see a good change in the body. We have Esther saying thanks for Remmy for the stretches. Wow. And thank you. Let's end our live stream. I thank you all for being here, and share the gift of movement with 1 or 2 people. You might be the person that inspires someone to change their healthy, to live a healthy, happy life. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. I see Jesse saying thank you so much, coach. And Jesse is also like a fitness YouTuber, very humble. He watches from Kenya. Type in the comments where you guys are watching from, and then we will end the live stream. It was a pleasure having all of you here. So 1 minute and then we end the live. Why is my audio sounding so bad? All right. Have a lovely evening and see you in the next one. Bye bye. See you on Friday.